By some means or another, I managed to get my hands on a very old fire extinguisher. As you can see, it's not really supposed to be used. It does need to be recharged. But since it's 50 years old, I figured why not use it anyway. Behind me, I've lit a fire, and I'm going to make that fire a little bigger with some paper thrown on it. Then I'm going to attempt to use this to extinguish it. We'll see if a 50-year-old fire extinguisher is still doing its job. Alright, here we go. We have a lot of flames. So, I'm going to pull back that, and basically I am just supposed to Alright, conclusion. There's no more pressure in here. This fire extinguisher will not do its job, and so it therefore needs to be disposed of. It is also possible that I will be able to use a screwdriver to depress the plunger further, and it might work. Let's see how that goes. Nope. So, a 50-year-old fire extinguisher does not work whatsoever. Thanks for watching.